do... All right, here we go. 403 error twice. It's gonna keep happening every time the service gets used. To the green screen. New Super Dobbs Brothers movie. Oh, now he's... Yeah, it's like, I can't collect it like Sonic. What's going on? Rings are a weird one. I'm not sure if they will see much use or not. I really liked doing the parallels with the actual game intro. Oh, and don't forget to... All right. Zombie Slicer's Kaizo level is so good. It really is. He did a bang-up job on it. All right, guys. Oh, we got to change categories. There we go. Controller plugged in. I guess we can delete that command, huh? All right. So these are all the GDB levels. Okay, so here's where the new stuff starts, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 new levels, all made today. Can you see boo amounts? It doesn't show it right now. All right, so the very first post-launch level upload, Grab Block is Good, by Evil Admiral Kiwi. World record Germ Dove. And of course, immediately people go for the really weird Kaizo tech. Because why not? Oh, that's easy. That's easy. First try. Is out meeting people at 10 or you would have had stuff. Yeah, I figured. All right. Shut It All Down by Germ Dove, which showed number of attempts. Yeah, it's actually easier than SMW. So SMW, you have to do both inputs on the same frame. In this, you can grab it and then you are granted about 3 frames of coyote time to jump. So you do not do it on the same frame. I don't know if it would work on the same frame or not. You do have to grab before jumping. It is... Do I know when it'll be back up? So if you want to use the editor, you can use it right here. This is a copy of the game that is like half a version behind. The big thing is that it doesn't have access to the server, which means you cannot upload levels or view levels from this, but you can create levels and then save them like onto a text file or something for later for when the server is available. Yes, but it will only edit it on your own computer. Just a heads up. That's how websites work. Okay. So cool thing on this is I have regular physics, and GermDub set it so that the sprites have water physics, which is really goofy. Oh, let's go. Kaizo Gamer? I'm not gonna take the record from Dupu though. I need to set it so you can actually set your in-game name to whatever you want, because right now it just picks your Discord base name. Just do a midair. That is so cool. All right, I have yet to do a midair. Don't tempt me with a good time, Dubu. All right, so my understanding is just hold down, jump, and let go of grab. That was actually kind of close. Well, that. Also, fun thing on this, oh geez, it is gonna be free. Fun thing on this, there is a button for immediate retry. Yeah. There it is. That's getting patched out. Absolutely getting patched out. Boo! Just do a midair. Protopit by GermDub. Dobbs is now Nintendo. All right, so the official declaration of how glitches are going to be handled. Nintendo, they say if we see a glitch level, we're deleting it. That's it. For Dabble Worlds, the plan is if there is a glitch that is like, okay, it's not a good glitch. If like community agrees, like, all right, yes, that's definitely a glitch, and also, it's not good for game balance stuff. Glitch will be fixed. Level will probably not be removed, but instead given like a special tag that says, hey, this level uses a glitch that may no longer be in the game. That's it. Yeah, I won't delete the levels, even though they could become impossible to beat. There will just be a special flag that indicates, like, this may not actually be doable. Now, for some glitches, Nintendo basically just keeps different versions of the physics going. How will you know all the levels that are affected? That's a great question. I don't know how big the game is going to get. It might get so big that I might not be able to know all the levels. Like, in its current state, I'm assuming I'm going to be able to beat every level that comes through, unless it's just got tons of shell jumps. If it becomes an issue where it's like, all right, there are actually hundreds of levels getting added every day, all right, then one, I need to rethink server costs and monetization, and two, I'll probably add some kind of like report feature that can be reviewed by trusted moderators or something. Yeah, I'm really, it's not a problem I expect to have, but it is not unsolvable, at least to the degree that I'm comfortable with solving it. Ads, hope not. Whoops. Oh, jeez. Okay, there we go. Alright, so this... Oh, And then I have to catch the shell and do a shell jump for the checkpoint. Jeez, germ dove. What a level. I saw Dupu had no trouble with the shell jump. The baseball is what gave him problems. It is a clam, obviously. Very clam-like art.
Party 100. This Dabble performance brought to you by...
Wait a second. I already took that feature out. I can't get the flying pig brigade out. Yeah, you got it first try, which was absolutely poggers. Oh, jeez, shell jumps. I'm really kind of a fan of the baseball. And I looked back at the old mock-up of this iteration of the game, and the baseball was in the very first mock-up I made, like before I had done any coding. Just art alone. So apparently, from the beginning, the baseball was meant to be. I'm not even a fan of baseball. It was just like, all right, this is a game about picking up things and throwing them. Uh-oh. Like this one. Rip. The forbidden sport, that's right. We do not want little Toadette doing any kind of playing of baseball.
Super Mario RPG, Sonic the Hedgehog, Donkey Kong 3.
I don't know the reference, unfortunately. You can't jump off of baseballs. Oh, close. I like the little pig section. Yeah, we don't want little Toadette playing baseball because we'll have to watch outside in the heat of the summer for long, dull sports games. It's like there's got to be better sports to watch. Hey, there we go. First try. All right. Dubu had a lot of problems with these spikes, and I'm about to figure out why. Yeah, that 3 one is a little bit rough. Okay. Catch it and run. Oh no! Yeah! All right, we got it. Oh, world record, perhaps? Just gonna casually grab some world records while we're here. Key jumps are good, actually. All right, everyone. All right, before I start this level, custom backgrounds are a thing in this game. Struggling to
look at this show.
Hey! Oh my gosh, 27 months? Triplets! Almost a year, even. All right. So custom backgrounds are a thing in this game. Not completely custom, but to the point where you've got basically like a couple dozen set background pieces that you can add on, and then you can also alter the colors of them, you know? And then also you can alter the size of them.
Cheer 100.
Oh, jeez, Theron. Fine.
Cheer 100 note. It is a year.
Beans. All right. Luigi time. Luigi has a few things to say about the level. Luigi would like to apologize in advance for the lower bit rate you're about to be seeing. Okay, here we go. Luigi's eyes are having some issues now. Oh no. It's like all of the Muppets got put in a blender at the same time. Luckily, being the amazing gamer that Luigi is, we one-shot the level. Yeah. Alright, we now return to your regularly scheduled bitrate. Oh good, more garbage. More hot garbage levels. Alright, are we back? We can see again. Alright, time for some garbage from Dupu. We gave him the power to create something beautiful, and this is what he did. Desert bus elevator. A ride through quicksand all the way to the top of the desert. Everyone count with me. 10. 9. Al is quick on the take. 8. It's time for 7. Wahoo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Luigi time! It's a 6. Wahoo! 5. That's Luigi's favorite number. Oh, I think I see 4. 4! That's Luigi's second favorite number. 3! Luigi doesn't like the number 3 very much. Oh.
Cheer 102.
Oh! Wahoo! 1! Here we
1.
go! Zero!
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 3.
Negative 4. What is this?
Arrow, arrow. DDR. Wahoo.
Bin burrito level.
It has been a burrito. There we go. World record is slightly faster on the finale. Alright. A level from Pixel. That was a close one. I almost liked it by accident. It certainly was an idea, and I feel like I am partially responsible because I suggested quicksand. Oops. Alright, here we go. Whooplio. The background is amazing. The combination of underwater kelp vines along with the quicksand makes an amazing graphic that I never even considered. Luigi is heavily impressed. Bye, Luigi. See you never. And this is just a test version of this level. This isn't even the final version. I really, really love the background. Like, custom backgrounds like this is exactly what I was hoping to see. I'm so excited. What? No, you guys just... It was Luigi. He just left. Oh, I didn't say I couldn't clear it. It's supposed to be like, somebody called it. It is, in fact, a reference to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on the NES. So that is something I am considering, is in the way that we can export and import entire levels, wouldn't it be cool to be able to... I think I need to turn the sound effects down a hair here. I was thinking, what if you could export and import just a background? Yeah, you can already do that with the full level, but let's say that you already had a level and you wanted to put in a custom background that someone else had made for you. That would be a pain. A little bit later. Passing trouble. I would also be interested in doing full-on, like, blueprints. Basically copy-paste, but you can, like, save a snippet of a level. Oh, okay. Okay. I was thinking more like if you had a really cool setup that you wanted to move from one level to another, instead of having to build everything over again. It does. I didn't even make this background. This is purely custom stuff. I love it. That's the desert sand. The green stuff in the background is the desert sand, but it's being auto-scrolled to the left, offset with another desert sand to make these cool wave effects. Like, that's so cool, Pixel. Jeez. And combine that with the chain decorations everywhere. Oh my gosh. Now, I know there's at least one other level that did custom background. That's more of a traditional level. I haven't seen it yet. I saw like one screen of it. I'll just throw that over there. That seems like a good spot for it.
Imagine a whole maker game existing that you can only play if you happen to know this one certain guy and are told about it explicitly.
Oh, that's a big jump. I should probably jump to the left. Yeah, I think Dupu single-handedly did like 80% of the marketing today with his stream. Germ Dove's bitrate killing work of art. Oh yeah, that seems much better. And then will I be able to just drop onto the goal there? A whopping 1 people. one of the top cool dude streamers. It's true. Oh, didn't quite make it. Dabble. And Dabble 2 if the server is down. Our lovely background, our backup Dabble Worlds server. It's not even a server.
My son will tell all his friends about it, but my son is a cat and I'm his only friend, so don't quit your day job.
Very nice. Alright, getting that more consistent, which is nice. Alright, I gotta jump less. Chris Pratt. Oh my gosh, am I getting decent at shell jumps? Oh! Alright, nice. Okay, you can get it. World record! I was worried. Wait. You didn't want me to be able to grab that, did you? You expected me to go all the way around. It's a big gear. So, I think the hitbox is just barely on the wall, so it might be a weird issue depending on, like, oh, you have to come at it with enough speed or something. Like, if you were to bump up against the wall and slide down, it probably would not. It probably would not work. Glitched world record. Delete. Oh my gosh, I'm surprised I was able to actually beat that. That was a really good level, Pixel. You should fix the glitch. Reduce hitbox size of the gear by a pixel on every side, just to make sure it doesn't overlap walls like that. Pixel on each side. Now that's a dev X. Nighttime Stroll. This is the one that's supposed to be kind of a traditional level. By one pixel Yosh Gamer. Four players, 4 likes. That's high praise right there. I think there might be a slight memory leak. I don't know. Oh, that is nice. The big clouds in the background drifting by. Wait, 1, 2. Okay. There was like an optical illusion there for a second. Ooh. Found the image. How do you edit a sprite? Like with an image editor? Oh, that was lovely. I like that. I like that pop in. Some items were not meant to loop, apparently. Oh, that's a lot of pigs. The moon! Flagpole! I don't know off the top of my head how you would. Was great. What's the world record on this? 35 seconds, jeez. I gotta figure out what is not getting cleaned up. Something is taking a long time to switch, and I'm not sure what it is. This is the first time there's actually been levels to switch between. All All right, these three are brand new. I have not seen, oh wait, I know what this one is. It's Proprietor Loons. This is Dupu's level that he's been working on. Yeah, it's one of those things that never happened to me because, I guess because I'm cycling in and out between these dumb little test levels. I'm about to be out of memory, I'm sure. All right, here we go. Oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is. All right, so here is the horrible thing that had to go on to do custom background recoloring. Because you can't really just recolor an image. Oh, nice. Oh, gotta go for the proprietor. You can't just recolor an image. What you have to do is you have to basically edit every individual pixel of an image. Oh, whoops, that's not what I was supposed to do, but it worked, so I'm gonna go for it. Oh. And then you have to save it back to the DOM, to the document model. Right, I gotta hold up there. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do, is pop the balloon. So every time that it is loading a level, it is creating a copy of the image files that make up the background. And I don't know if it's actually like cleaning those up or not. Oh, yeah! Thank you, Pixel. World record. Now that doesn't make sense for coming back to the menu. Like this load time right here, there should not be a load time here. This should just be like clearing some stuff out of memory and dropping it. There we go. Let's do a quick refresh here. Aw, snap. All right, we got two more. We got Germ Dove with Double Key, and then Al's first level, Tower of Greed. Germ sure does love this background. Brace yourself for an awful bitrate. Yeah, the background already. Oh, yep. Oh, okay. I see what we're doing. We're key juggling. Oh wait, they can ride on top of each other. The world record is glitched. Very interested. Oh wait. Oh wait. Wait. I don't even have to do that. Oh, what? Yeah, it's reflecting onto my face. It's beautiful. Let me just see what's over here. Ooh. Okay. let's break out of. There we go. This will improve the bitrate somewhat, not a ton. See, that's not it. Oh wait, hang on. This is dumb. I mean, what did I expect? No, germ. Ah! You made. I didn't make this level. Oh, the one thing I didn't want to happen. Ellie, welcome! Hope you're doing well tonight. I apologize for the bitrate. What am I supposed to do when I see that interaction? Tell an adult. Because that's no good. Oh, all right, we're done. You got her to run the ad again. I can't in good conscience like that. See, now it's nice and clean and running smoothly again. All right, we can go to full screen again. Tower of Greed by Hillbilly Al. Level. Minute long. Ooh. All right. Ooh. I like the aesthetics already. Oh, he got me. Oh, those are, dang it, I didn't even see the spikes. I do want the coins. I do have the greed. Okay. Got him. What? Really? Did I do that? Oh, it's because it's like... Hang on. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what that was. Oh, I'm not dying because of a glitch. I'm dying because I'm actually pressing the retry button. Well, I think you are supposed to be able to pick it up because that's what triggers it actually being collected. Oh, dude. I want the key. I want it. I got it. And there's the switch. Sperditers. Totally original character. Oh, jeez. Oh, we're going up. Oh no. Okay, these are indicators. We've been learning that coins mean spiders. That's cool. Ooh. Woo. Oh, look at this little scene up here. Yes! Oh, that's great, Al. Little rocket up there in the clouds. That was good. Have a good one, Ninja Nugget. Thanks for stopping in. I want to do that one again. I want to do that faster. All right, the heart is probably the play here. Whatever. Speed, 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 speed. Going up. It's all right. That should be the end. Hold up. Get in here. Knock it out. Are there note blocks? Do you mean for the purpose of making noise or for the purpose of bouncing? All right, that is the new levels. Oh, look at, and then we end on, look at that. That's fun. Making noise. Yes, but I took them out. In terms of add the world record. I took them out because I want to make them more cool. So it's actually a wire block. Let's see, can I actually put that back in temporarily? Do you guys want to? If you guys want to see it, I can show you what that block actually is. Level structure, tile type. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it actually is already in the tile type repository, which means I just need to add it to the editor. There we go, it's just commented out. Perfect. And then tell it to recompile. Yeah, let's take a look. All right, this is the super secret tile that doesn't really exist in the game yet, but kind of does, but kind of doesn't, if I can find it. Do you see a music wire? I don't see it. Where is it? After the zappy block. Should be music block. Well, where is it? Are you sure about that? And the world record too. Oh, haha. Rip. Should be. All right, hang on. Let's try empty cache, hard reload. Get some different music going here. There it is. Okay, here we go. Music block. Boom. Let's make it awkward and quiet in here. So it is a wire element. It is not a it is not like a music note block in Mario Maker. So you can hear it kind of like clip a bit. Let's change that to a lever. Yeah, so the audio kind of clips a bit, which I don't like, and I want to fix that. How is a zappy block different than putting a zappy wire into a regular block? Aesthetics. No, it does not sustain, and that's kind of because it's not making the note live. It is actually playing a snippet of an audio file. So the thing that you can do with this, which I think is kind of cool, yeah, I don't like that clipping. I need to move this half a step down. There we go. Hear that? That's awful. So the idea is you can, with this, potentially, let's do slow wire. Is you could have looping tracks. Ah, beatboxing. Now we're talking. You could actually have looping tracks with this. So I've kind of got an option on the music note because I want it to be able to be like it plays a different instrument based on what it is overlapping. Like if it overlaps an ice block, it plays like a little chime. But if it overlaps a regular block, it plays like the regular sine wave. Or if it overlaps, I don't know, something else, it plays a square wave. So here's the big question that I didn't quite get to, which is I can handle it through audio files, where it's basically a single audio file going doot 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 doot, and then I just play the appropriate snippet of it. Or I could maybe actually use HTML5 audio to generate the tones live. That is probably better from like a standpoint of I think performance-wise it might be a little bit better. The downside is that really boxes me in on the instrumentation. Because with using a sample file, I can basically just have any pre-recorded audio and it'll just work. Whereas with HTML5 audio, when you're doing generated sounds, you are actually generating the waves, which is really cool that you can do that, and you don't have to store an audio file. But that means that you're kind of a little bit more limited on what sounds you can make. And my plan was to have like a single system that basically is just like, all right, here's instrument 1, play it when you're on these blocks. Instrument 2, play it on these blocks. And here's drum set, play it when you're on these blocks. And it would just be like, different drum hits and everything. So yeah, so that is the music stuff. All right, so we actually did every level, didn't we? We are keeping up with every single level. I am so excited about these. Like the custom background stuff. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just gotta figure out the lag. It only tends to happen after playing a lot of different levels, it seems, and I'm thinking it's just the recolored backgrounds like not getting cleared out correctly like they're supposed to. They're supposed to get deleted, and I bet it's just like clogging up the page with a lot of extra images every time you start a new level. But I don't know for sure. I'll have to experiment with that. Yes, Germ Dove. So, what is happening when you are customizing a background? What is actually happening behind the scenes? Let's look at these mountains in the background. Whoops. Well, now they're all right. Let's leave those as clouds. Let's look at these mountains. So these mountains back here, they're kind of a nice, like, cool blue-gray color, and you can change that to a green or a pink or a red-ish. Let's make it a brighter red. Oh yeah, that's pretty neat. So what's happening? Look, now it's pyramids. I don't know. So what's happening is every time you change the color, it has to recolor that image file that holds mountains, which is a very small little image file. Like it's tiny. Let's see if I can pull that up. Dev, images, backgrounds. So here's the mountains file. This is the full size of the mountains. That's it right there. Like it's small, but to recolor it, it's kind of a CPU intensive operation that has to go pixel by pixel, because JavaScript doesn't have a great way to do this cleanly. You could, in CSS, if you just wanted to display an image on a web page, that's fine. But for like actually putting it on the canvas, that's another matter. Have a good night, Bowser. So for that, I have to go pixel by pixel Yosh, and extract, well, I extract the entire pixel string as raw image data, which that gives me a byte array of red, green, blue, alpha, red, green, blue, alpha, red, green, blue, alpha, for basically every pixel all in a row. And then I have to do some math on that to say, okay, if I have red, green, and blue for this pixel, and I am telling it to transform the hue by 30 degrees and bring the saturation down to 75%, what should the new red, green, blue be? And it's not a cheap operation. I do know of some potential optimizations we can do, because a lot of times these are the same color pixels over and over again. Like, here's some examples. Like, here are the image files we've got, and you will notice they are all red. That is the base color for all of the images in the backgrounds. And then I've just got a default recolor of them. So like, this is defaults to green, this defaults to blue, this defaults to green, this defaults to kind of a grayish blue. It's all based on you, Pixel. Also, Pixel, go to bed. And Dupu, go to bed. That's what it is. I don't know if the math on the RGB channel is that bad, but because like I could probably do some kind of mapping, like, hey, if my transform is change it to this shade of yellow, then every time I see this particular shade of red, the output should be this particular combination of RGBA. Like that. It would suck up some memory, but since they're all like basically the same shade of red, like it's in a very thin slice of the color wheel, that could net me some savings on performance, like CPU time, but cost a little bit of actual RAM to store that. But yeah, if you just click and drag, every time you move your mouse 1 pixel, it is recomputing that entire image file, and that will cause some lag if you don't have a beefy enough computer for that. Initially, sliders couldn't even be clicked and dragged because that is so intensive, and I was like, all right, it's just you choose a color, just choose one color. But yeah, sometimes you gotta fine tune it a bit, and that's fine. Web app is still stopped. All right. We've got our backup ready on the website. We've got the backup site ready that only uses the editor. I may update the main landing website with an optional, like, is the server overloaded? Try just the editor over here. Maybe something like that. Just to kind of deal with that. All right, is that it? Did we do it all? Did we do everything we need to do here tonight? Double key, you jerk. Yeah, my goal is to make the editor, like, have the things you really need. Like, especially, I don't see why this isn't available in regular editors in other games. Like, that's, like, super useful to have. Oops, because I went back to the previous. Right, there you go. Were there some questions about where to find anything or how to do certain things? Because I can cover those real quick. If not, we'll probably just wrap up. And then I'll get to work on trying to look into some temporary stopgaps for the server issues. For me being a cheapskate on the server. 165. That can't be right. All right, we will call it a night. Beachin is saying the word Luigi 36,000 times. Oh, he's almost there. What the crap? He's 1,000 Luigis away. He was doing a, like, every bit. He'll say Luigi for every bit. Or 250 times for every sub. And, he now has to say the word Luigi 36,427 times. I'm not gonna raid into that. No raid tonight. We will come back for more Dabble Worlds another time. It is a lot of Luigi. Friday, I might be doing some on-stream development for this. So if you guys have enemies you want, gizmos, gadgets, types of level tiles, or other features of that type, bring your ideas on Friday. A bird, a germ dove, and we will develop them live. Things like UI changes, like different things on menus. Arrows, yes, that is something we need. Because the although the diode wires are a nice little like, oh yeah, we don't have arrows, but we have diodes. Those don't look great for indication. They're very gray, they're very bland. It's not immediately obvious what you're looking at. Gun. For his neutral special, he uses a gun. Ah, and green Koopas. You need non-Galoomba Goombas. Dabble for Smash. Dabble's ready to launch. And then comes in on a rocket, you see. But yeah, UI changes are a little bit trickier, like menus and stuff, and anything that requires database changes will probably not be done live. But things like individual level elements, like things that would go in these items here, yes, absolutely, easy peasy. To a certain degree, even music would not be too hard if we can jam something out pretty quick. The way this game is built, like some of these things I can add very quickly. Enemies, for instance, tiles, gadgets, some other things. Bigger features might take longer. But yeah, bring your ideas Friday. We'll do a game dev stream. Sunday, we'll be back for Earthbound. Probably more of that on Monday as well, to maybe finish the game. And then Wednesday, we'll be back for Mario Maker. And I don't know if we'll do Dabble Worlds on Wednesdays, or if this is just going to be kind of a one-off special for launch day, or if Dabble Worlds is more going to be just kind of a Friday thing as part of the game dev night. So we'll see. Or just during the week, just off stream. All right, everyone, have a wonderful night. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for a wonderful release. It went well, I think, aside from the slight server issue. Thanks for the game. Thanks for the stream. Al's so polite. Thank you all. Really, really appreciate the support. You're all awesome. Thank you. Good night, everybody. I'll see you next time.